Firstly, to the principal and all the other dignitaries, thank you for having me. I'm not used to speaking in schools, so this is going to be a bit awkward for me because uh, I moved away from the school setup long ago for cricket, and that's what I'm going to talk about. I understand the environment of a school. I've been through the same process and stage that all you kids are a part of right now, and I can just share from my own experience um, how my focus and priority changed very early on in my life. Um, what I want to say is, school is a place where you come to learn, you come to grow, you become better people, you have great teachers, you have a great leader who's guiding all of you, creating a culture and environment in the school that gives you the best chance to become the best person, the most able student, whether it's academics, whether it's sport, any field that you choose. This is the best environment for all of you. So have respect and regard for that environment, firstly, for your teachers, for the people who are teaching you. They are giving you a part of their lives. It's very important to give them that respect and the focus and attention that's required. Second thing I would say is, I chose sport very early on in my life, but that came from a very honest place. I was very sure that I wanted to go ahead and pursue cricket, and I had to be honest with myself and my family and also my teachers to convey to them that this is the path I want to take. So be convinced about what you want to do and follow that dream with absolute commitment. And only you will know whether you are being 100% honest or not. And that's the only thing that matters. That will make the difference for all of you in your future. So I wish you all the very best. I'm very proud and happy that our academy has been inaugurated today. This is part of my life, a massive part of my life. I started practicing with sir when I was 8 years old, and I still continue to come to the academy whenever I get time. And it's a big part of my childhood, and I hope all the kids that come to learn cricket here can value it, can learn something from the academy, and I hope it does wonders to the school, the cricket setup here as well. So I wish everyone all the very best. Thank you for having me. I don't have much more to say. I wish you guys all the best and God bless you all.